Okay, guys, so I'm going to share with you my first ever syntax lesson back at university. So here we have a poem by Spike Milligan, who was an Irish comedian. Okay, now I'm sorry, who was an Irish comedian. So he wrote this poem called on the Ning Nang Nong. Now we know that this is in the style of what we call a nonsense poem. Nonsense poem. Nonsense in the means that it makes no sense. It's kind of crazy. It says on the Ning Nang Nong. Now we don't know what Ning Nang Nong means, but we do know that in our minds linguistically, this syntactic position is filled with a noun phrase. So on the Ning Nang Nong makes us think of some sort of noun, yeah, because of its position, even though the words don't have a meaning. Okay, where the cows go bong and the monkeys also boo. There's a nong nang ning. Now remember before it was ning nang nong, yeah, and now we've changed it to nong nang ning. Again, these words don't really have any meaning, but our minds linguistically, intuitively know that there's a nong nang in this gap, in this space, linguistically speaking. There's kind of like got to fill it with some sort of noun or noun phrase. Okay, good. So it's kind of like how position in the sentence tells us what sort of phrase we're talking about. All right, whether it's a noun phrase or a prepositional phrase or a verb phrase. Okay, where the trees go ping and the teapots jibber jabber jew. Okay, so jibber jabber jew doesn't really mean anything. It doesn't have a meaning, but our brain is telling us that and the teapots. I need a noun. I need a noun. A noun. Beg your pardon. I need a verb. I need a verb phrase of some sort. And the teapots do what? The teapots sing. The teapots dance. The teapots fly. Whatever. So jibber jabber jew, if you remember, that is a verb phrase. Our mind wants to fill this gap here with a verb phrase. Okay. On the nong nang ning. Yeah. So again, nong nang ning. So on the, because we've got a prepositional phrase here, on the, that gap kind of, my brain wants to fill it with a noun. Okay? All the mice go clang, and you just can't catch them when they do. So it's ning nang nong, cows go bong, nong nang ning, trees go ping, nong ning nang, okay? The mice go clang, what a noisy place to belong. Because it's the ning nang nong. Okay, so the linguistic relevance of these poems is that they kind of make sense even though the words don't have meaning. They have like some sort of meaning because of their syntactical position within the sentence, which I find extremely interesting. I hope you do too.